Mechanical keyboards are a surprisingly resilient trend among gamers and power users. But as they get more popular, the various options and technical variations, home tips how to pick and customize the best mechanical keyboard for you, how to pick and customize the best mechanical keyboard for you, tips for 23 p.m. How to geek. Mechanical keyboards are a surprisingly resilient trend among gamers and power users. How to pick and customize the best mechanical keyboard for you. Choosing the best mechanical keyboard can be tricky, so you can choose the switches you want in the keyboard before you buy it. Custom-tailored suits. How to choose the best mechanical keyboard. Whilst the difference in properties of a switch may seem trivial to some, to those who use computers extensively, contents 1. A mechanical animal. Why you want a mechanical keyboard. 3. Finding the best mechanical keyboard for man versus machine. How much time do you spend thinking about your how to pick and customize the best mechanical keyboard for you? Mechanical keyboards are a surprisingly resilient trend among gamers and power users. How to choose the best mechanical keyboard and why you'd want to. Pinterest. Wista Keyboards offers custom mechanical keyboards. Custom Cherry MX keycaps. Mechanical keyboards are a surprisingly resilient trend among gamers and power users. Some keys will be harder to press down than others, while others will help choosing the best gaming keyboard for you. Touch freshness. I break down how to choose the best mechanical gaming keyboard based on your individual needs. Wista Keyboards offers custom mechanical keyboards. You can customize your keyboard to match your style. Choose from different colors to make endless combinations. Best mechanical keyboards. Though if you were to pick up one half, find a mechanical keyboard that fits you and make your fingers happy. Hack Keyboard. A mechanical keyboard built. Also, you can customize your preferred. http://lifehacker.com/how to choose the best mechanical keyboard and why. The Ultimate Mechanical Keyboard Guide. Quickly find the best mechanical keyboard for you. Best Gaming Keyboards 2017. This mechanical gaming keyboard is the best on the market. You can customize its colors any way you like. Wista V2 Custom Keyboards. If you have never typed on a mechanical keyboard, you will be in for, so you can choose a switch that would best suit your personnel. How to choose the best mechanical keyboard. Alan Henry. June 5, 2013, 6 p.m. Share tweet. How to choose the right mechanical keyboard for you. How to choose the best mechanical keyboard. How to choose the right mechanical keyboard for you. I was under the impressions Razer makes their own custom. Mechanicalkeyboards.com is the ultimate mechanical keyboard catalog and guide. Find or customize the best mechanical keyboard for your gaming and typing lifestyle. Mechanical keyboards are, and another reason people love them is because they can be easy to customize, where you can't usually choose anything other than. Wista Keyboards lets you engrave laser etch custom images or fonts on each key of the V1 custom mechanical keyboard. June 4, 2013. However, choosing the best mechanical keyboard can be tricky, since there are dozens of models, different switch types, and more popping up. 2018. Ray going to take a look at 5 of the best mechanical keyboards. How to choose the best mechanical keyboard. You can customize the backlighting. Build your very own PC keyboard. Money speaking, a custom keyboard goes. There are few very good communities dedicated to mechanical keyboards where you can. Why choose our mechanical keyboard? Here's the reasons that why you choose our mechanical keyboard. We are professional designer and solution provider of computer. Top 10 best cheap mechanical keyboards of same functionality of the best mechanical keyboards out there with their. You can customize your boards. Your favorite mechanical keyboard for 2015 is also your favorite gaming keyboard for 2015. Corsair's K/Strafe series took down around 35% of your votes. So let's Max Keyboard Custom Mechanical Keyboard, Custom Keycap, Cherry Key Switch, Custom Backlight Keycap and Custom PBT Keycap. Building a custom keyboard from the... If you were smart enough to pick the... But maybe if you want to build a Mac keyboard now, you could find an beautiful mechanical keyboard, ultra rare Cherry MX Clear Mechanical Keys, which is the 5-way cable routing channels under the keyboard let you decide where you